Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Tuesday. Just wanted to do a real quick little video. I went and purchased a new knife because I have a knife addiction problem, and I like to buy knives. The more the merrier. So I'll give it Alright, so this is my current everyday carry, which is, you know, stuff I keep in my pockets. Mask because of a stupid mandate. This is a coin pouch. I actually did videos on these already, so I'm gonna be quick. Notepad and pen, cell phone, flashlight, Spyderco Tenacious, SAK Tinker, my wallet, Hidden Wisdom pouch, which is where I put my keys in when I'm walking around. And yeah. So my first I actually wrote notes. I just went and looked. My first EDC video was February 7th, 2014, and my latest video was December 2nd, 2018. So it's been a while, and I don't do a whole lot of EDC videos because I don't typically change my EDC that often, or not enough to warrant making an entire new video. So I gotta get to the knife. Alright, we'll get rid of all this. So what I went and did is I picked up the sorry, I need to see the view screen. I got the Ontario, I'm going to use the other camera for close-ups, don't worry. I got the Ontario Rat 3 folding knife. Wow, that focus is just not friendly. So there she is. Probably one of my favorite blades to carry around. I went with a Blackened blade. And actually this is my second one, because I actually have one in satin as well. But the reason I haven't been, gotta do the flip out. The reason I've been carrying this, as you can see, and I had a little screw to tighten this down, and I lost the screw somewhere. In fact, see if I can find the. All right, so here's the set, and as you can see, if there's not too much glare, let's go ahead and open it. I have every bit in here except for the screw bit. So, kind of unfortunate, but I just need to remember to go buy a new screw set. Get a little medium strength Loctite, and then just pull the screws out. Put a little medium strength Loctite in there, and put them back down. But I just leave the pocket clip, you know, where it is. I don't mind where it is. You could flip it. It's got 4 points, so you can decide where to put it. And just a really good knife. Look at that. This is my current, I've been carrying, Spyderco Tenacious, which was in a video from 2014. That's how long I've been carrying it. Probably got a little bit of stuff on there, but you know, I've had people ask me, well, why do you bother carrying a knife? It's like, well, there's a simple reason, man. When I bought this sucker, I had to open it somehow. So you get into your packages, man. That's why you get a knife. You know, I even had to use it to, I even used it to break the tape open. I just was like, oh, tape, no problem. Cut that right off, pull the knife out. It's just handy. And just a cool knife, look at that. Man. I need to get off my ass and get more screws. Start rotating this around again. Probably needs a little cleaning, but that's not a big deal. Just good stuff. Osate steel. Blackened blades. They didn't blacken the liners, which I was looking at. And it actually doesn't bother me because it kind of gives it a two-tone look. So you get the gray and the black. So I can turn off the light. There we go. The light was causing glare. So, yeah, just a sweet knife. Of course, you got to flip it open every time because, you know, that's what you do. At least that's what I do. Oh. Yeah, just really dig carrying the knife around. It's so handy. Wow, that was terrible. Wow, that was bad too. Come on, man. There we go. Alright, well, let's keep that as a Ontario Rat 1 folding knife. I got it on Amazon. I'll throw a link for the knife in the description. And as always, have a good one.